You are being recorded. Hi, this is Mark and this is English Conversation Practice. You are. This is video 20 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Okay, great. Let's start. You are taking an eye test. You are taking an eye test. You are smelling my cooking. You are smelling my cooking. You are hard of hearing. You are hard of hearing. You are listening to music. You are listening to music. You are checking your email. You are checking your email. You are chatting online. You are chatting online. You are waiting to get in. You are waiting to get in. You are performing today. You are performing today. You are at a magic show. You are at a magic show. You are up in the sky. You are up in the sky. You are waiting for a green light. You are waiting for a green light. You are being recorded. You are being recorded. You are parking in front of a fire hydrant. You are parking in front of a fire hydrant. You are blocking the fire extinguisher. You are blocking the fire extinguisher. You are burning a candle. You are burning a candle. You are having a hot dog. You are having a hot dog. You are eating healthy. You are eating healthy. You are having dessert. You are having dessert. You are brushing your teeth. You are brushing your teeth. You are washing your shirts. You are washing your shirts. You are sweeping the floor. You are sweeping the floor. Okay, answer the questions. What am I doing? What is your answer? You are taking an eye test. What am I doing? You are smelling my cooking. What am I doing? You are listening to music. What am I doing? You are checking your email. What am I doing? You are chatting online. What am I doing? You are waiting to get in. What am I doing? You are performing today. What am I doing? You are at a magic show. What am I doing? You are up in the sky. What am I doing? You are waiting for a green light. What am I doing? You are parking in front of a fire hydrant. What am I doing? You are blocking the fire extinguisher. What am I doing? You are burning a candle. What am I doing? You are having a hot dog. What am I doing? You are eating healthy. What am I doing? You are having dessert. What am I doing? You are brushing your teeth. What am I doing? You are washing your shirts. What am I doing? You are sweeping the floor. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.